Were they bullying you?
I felt really bullied.
Oh boy.
You felt
Shame. Point is, you deserved it more than they did.
Okay, Tain, the question is, when there has been a time
All right,
where
bro, let me finish my perspective, all right?
And I said, no,
They did exactly the same to me. I didn't disrespect them once.
But I didn't disrespect them.
Oh, you were disrespectful?
I don't think so.
Even Karan and Sunny told you that you were disrespectful.
In a way, मेरी आवाज़ अगर भारी है, जो मेरी body language है, मैं हाथ पीछे खड़ा करके यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ. If that is what makes people think that I'm arrogant, I'm really sorry that I'm arrogant all the time. I'm really sorry that I'm arrogant all the time.
Ability and you are running like parallel lines right now.
Hit that
But I would love to complete my sentence for once.
Please do it, yeah.
Thank you.
स्टार्टिंग में तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. मैं सोचता था कि यार कैसे बनाऊं कनेक्शन, क्या
अब
बात
वो
करूं.
हमें भी दिख रहा था कि आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
वही ना.
Himanshu, it's time. Give us adjectives for Tain.
Fake, attention seeker, unnecessarily trying to talk about people where it's not needed.
Are you talking about yourself?
No, I'm talking about Tain. And why would you say that, Kashish?
Bro, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Explain why.
I will tell you.
Why
Should
am
I start
fake?
with attention
Why am I fake?
seeker?
I literally say everything straight to your face and to everyone else's face. I'm there.
Akansha wasn't important enough कि आप उसके बारे में बात
She wasn't that big of a competition. Importance तो थी क्योंकि वो योगेशी connection थी.
2 weeks ago, Himanshu phoned me, right? I just landed in Delhi. And he's like, Diksha's filing an FIR on me.
What?
Yeah, an FIR on me.
Yeah, well, all of
So,
them.
I mean,
okay, how many
what are you
relationships
going on
do you
about?
know about?
I don't need to know, but I know that for a fact that
Exactly.
you've been through
Exactly.
multiple relationships. Just well,
Exactly.
That's
exactly.
life.
So do your research well next time.
अरे यार मैं अकेले कैसे करूंगा मैं.
I'm not gonna do it with him.
यार किसके साथ बुला लिए? कम से कम 2-4 और जो असली में कंपटीशन उनको बुला के ले आते हैं. I'm not doing.
BYOG calling.
Oh, okay, guys, let's do it. चलो.
So then.
अरे लड़ो मत guys.
Hi boys, welcome to BYOG 2. What's the vibe check? How are we feeling?
I'm feeling good.
We're feeling good.
I don't know about them.
इसको वापस भेज देते फिर अच्छा फील करेंगे.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
झूठ बोल.
झूठ बोल.
अच्छा तो तुम gossip.
He just loves be sitting next to me,
Yeah. I love it more when you're sitting on my lap.
Guys, again.
Okay, तो अब तुम gossip के show पे आए हो. Can we expect lots of tea from you guys?
Yeah.
What type of tea you gonna give, bro?
Let's see, bro.
True. I mean, I don't have a lot of gossip, but let's see.
I think you got a boring group here. I tend to stay out of the gossip, but I mean, if it's speaking about this Gora, I'm in.
Gora, Simon, go back.
Chalo, I'm going back, bro.
All right boys, we are ready for you. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
My darlings, last episode का gossip got too much, no? I mean, तुम्हारे DMs, तुम्हारी stories, तुम्हारी Reddit threads सब यही कह रहे थे. But I hope you're ready for more. क्योंकि gossip की journey is not a sprint. It's a marathon. And I am taking you in for a ride. Welcome to MTV BYOG Season 2 Splitsvilla edition with me, Kashish Kapoor. जहाँ स्प्लिट्सविला की सारी सीक्रेट्स सामने से अनप्रोवोक्ड चल के मेरे पास आ जाती हैं. वेल, ऑलमोस्ट अनप्रोवोक्ड. स्पीकिंग ऑफ प्रोवोकेशंस, आज के गेस्ट की बात करते हैं. हमने BYOG के इस काउच पे बहुत रिश्ते देखे. हमने देखे कनेक्शंस, लव, फ्रेंड्स, दोस्ती, भाई बहन, सब कुछ. बट व्हाट अबाउट राइवलरी? So we thought it's time to mix things up and spice things up. So here we have two rivals, जिनमें से एक खुद को कहता है mastermind. Well, self-proclaimed mastermind because he keeps on talking and keeps on explaining and yet nobody seems to understand a thing. And the second one, yeah, sort of a lone wolf. Loyal भी है, perform भी अच्छा करता है. आगे क्या क्या करता है? We'll have to find out. And तीसरा वाला, कभी जानवर तो कभी जानू, लेकिन connection दूर दूर तक नहीं. इस काउच पे आज फ्रेंडशिप भी है और राइवलरी भी. So there might be some tension, some stress, lots of elephants to be addressed and hopefully some clarification. Basically, all that I'm trying to say is watch and your own risk. On that note, welcome to BYOG Himanshu, Harshit and Tain, and tell me, how are you guys today and what's the goss?
हमें तो बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है शो में आके.
Thanks sir.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है मुझे हिमांशु के साथ बैठ के और टेन के साथ बैठ के। गाइस डोंट फाइट।
मतलब मेरी कोई क्रेडिट ही नहीं है, ठीक है, ओके। नहीं, इसीलिए तुमसे लड़कियां नहीं पटती है।
I was feeling great until I knew I had to sit here with Himanshu. But I mean, it's good to see you. It's been a while.
But I feel like Tain is one of those people that I think is fun. But at the
Extremely.
same time, at the same time ये कभी-कभी ऐसे बकचोदी कर देता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा
It's fun to
बकचोदी।
be around.
अच्छा,
him.
that you understood.
He understands everything.
He just pretends not to.
He reacts to things very specifically.
So there's a thing, हिंदी में एक कहावत है, एड़ा बन के पेड़ा खाना। मतलब you act fool to get your stuff done. Is that true?
Not all the time, but when it's necessary. Like in this situation, I'm on a Hindi show, but I pick up 1-2 things. I understand the context, and I mean, it works to my advantage, I
You're
guess.
just swinging it.
Yeah. I mean, I'm great at winning things, right? Look how far it got.
Yes, I'm certain that you're pretty good at swinging things. Does that include connections as well?
Why? How?
Asking.
What? No, definitely not.
No?
It's okay. Then you can speak the truth. Nobody is going to tell this anywhere. It's just a conversation between
I'm
the
a
four of
one-woman
us.
man.
ये बस एक रूम की
At the time.
At a time, obviously.
Yes, yes, of course.
Of course, I'm a one-woman man. I'm a decent guy. I'm respectful, and that's as simple as that.
Perfect. Let's come to questions one by one, ठीक है? Himanshu, Splitsvilla is like a zoo. एक zoo की तरह है Splitsvilla, right?
So he made it a zoo.
So, okay, he made it a zoo. तो बहुत गधे घोड़े की बातचीत हो रही है आजकल. What do you have to say about that?
या तो ये शुरू यहाँ से हुआ कि इन्होंने ना मुझे घोड़ा बुलाना चालू किया। इसने और गुल्लू ने,
किसने?
गुल्लू ने और टेन ने।
Okay.
फिर गुल्लू को लोगों ने उल्लू बुलाना शुरू किया। अब इस बेचारे के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं, क्योंकि टेन्स पे जो राइम करता है वो आप बोल नहीं सकते हो कैमरा
Still
पे।
working towards that.
क्या? What's the word? What rhymes with pain?
Yeah, but like there are
Loud thing.
Pain, pain.
Yeah, you're very creative. Kashish, think about it.
Okay.
So start with Tain and say that word repeatedly. Break Tain in half.
Tatte. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
yes, bro.
There is no rhyming in that in this.
I
Come
know,
on.
वैसे
This
कह रहा
is
हूँ कि
his
अब वो-
jokes. This is
अब वो-
what he
अब
does.
वो-
I
अब
don't
वो-
understand.
अब वो वहाँ से शुरू हुआ, फिर उसको
Right.
गुल्लू को उल्लू बुलाना चालू कर दिया। अब
Right.
ये उल्लू के साथ घूमता है तो इसको भी लोगों ने उल्लू बुलाना शुरू कर दिया। That is how I think it
You and
became a
Gullu
thing.
are friends?
Of course.
Best of buddies.
So how do you guys talk to each other? What language is it?
I mean, I'm trying to teach Gulu how to speak English, and I mean, he's doing extremely well. He
Yeah?
struggles a lot, but by the end of this year, he'll be a professor for sure.
I really hope कि after Tain's help, जो भी गुल्लू को communication problems है when it comes to girls, वो sort हो जाए. I am pretty sure you can help him with that,
Absolutely.
right? Now that we've spoken about how you help people, Tain, I also want to ask how you actually trouble people, Tain. So apparently, it is said, many people, in fact, these guys themselves have said on the show
Never heard
that
anything
you
like
मैंने ही बोला होगा।
I've never heard this.
No.
अब सुना देती हूँ. Everything has a first
सुनते
time.
रहे।
Let this be the first.
All right, okay.
So I've heard about you that you purposely rage bait people.
Oh.
Like you would go, you would poke, and then sit back like a good boy. Is that true?
Tain, don't lie on this one, okay? Everybody knows it. You don't have to lie over this one, so it's okay.
Okay.
मुस्कान की
I'm going to be
चमकानी
completely
कह रही
honest,
है।
right?
हाँ.
On social media, yes, but on the show, the roles reversed. These. Let me just be nice. Let me be
not
nice.
These bunch of cunts were, yes.
That was the
ahead.
word I was looking for, to be honest. Yeah, so being on the show, it was very difficult most times. Obviously, I mean, he thinks I understand everything, but it was at like about 20%. But they made me feel very uncomfortable, very all of that. And everybody was putting on me that I'm poking them. It was absolute bullshit. They know what they did. Every time I walked into a room,
Yeah.
every time I walked past them, they're laughing. I don't know what it was.
So did you get
But,
triggered by them laughing?
I mean, it felt like it was directed to me 90%.
Were they
of the
bullying
time.
you?
I felt really bullied.
Oh boy.
You felt bullied?
Shame. Yeah,
I'm
but
so
it was me.
sorry, Tain. Never bullied you. I'm really sorry. But it wasn't the case. ऐसा नहीं था. अब
was.
ऐसे कि obviously when all of us were together before the show, all the boys used to sit together. We used to make jokes.
We were very
सब
good friends
मजाक-
initially.
तो
So I don't know what happened.
हम ऐसे थे कि हम लोग
Competition.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम इसी के बारे में मजाक करते थे. हम हर्षित के बारे में भी करते थे. मेरे बारे में भी करते थे. योगेश के बारे में भी करते थे. So it was mostly just jokes about each other. But then gradually groups were divided. And then he thought that maybe when we're laughing, it's just about him. वो होता है ना थोड़ा सा जब आप किसी को पसंद नहीं करते हो तो आपको लगता है कि अगर वो मेरी तरफ देख के हंस रहे हैं तो वो मेरी वजह से हंस रहे हैं पर फिर इसको वो
So-
लगता था और फिर ये उंगली करता था और फिर इसकी उंगली दे
So
दी जाती
was
थी,
it
so-
just perception and preconceived notions on his
Nah,
behalf?
it was not, bro. Let's be
I mean,
real.
we did make jokes about him, but it's not just about
You see, the
him,
thing is,
you know?
I would go to their face and let them know how I felt. It felt like they were just gossiping. Fuck. It felt like
Look at him blushing right now.
No, he's already pink.
it's the pink shirt that's reflecting.
Yeah. Yeah.
It felt like they were gossiping the whole time. It felt very uncomfortable 24/7.
Gossiping about you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It just didn't feel right. I mean, I understand that I'm extremely competitive and that you guys felt like I was your competition and completely threatened. It is what it is.
I mean, I
अपने
really,
मुंह मियां
They
में
were trying to get under my skin 24/7. 24/7, I swear to you. And it wasn't me.
Okay.
Yes, I poked sometimes, but I mean, that was just for
I love
joke.
how Tane loves himself so much and thinks that if we're just joking about something, it's gonna be about him. A lot of times it was, you know, I'm not
You
gonna
see what I'm
lie.
saying?
But
then-
it wasn't purposely कि हम मतलब एक गुट बना के बैठे कि आज तो हम जोक मारेंगे टेन के बारे में जब भी ये निकलेगा हम हंसेंगे. Obviously not, because if we're having a conversation,
Right.
if it randomly came out the
Yeah.
topic of Tane, then we might, you
Yeah.
know, might as well. Why not joke about it?
But purposely नहीं.
Yes, क्योंकि अगर purposely करना ही होता तो obviously all of us would want to make fun of him in front of the camera so it goes out and we would enjoy that piece of content as well. Why would we not, you know, want to put out that
This is
side?
cheap content.
How is that cheap? You used to
What
make
is
fun
cheap
of us
content?
as
No,
well.
tell us what is cheap
Yeah.
content and what is good content.
Demeaning somebody
That's
to
true.
get screen time is not. It's not.
Agreed.
It's not cool.
Agreed.
I didn't do that. I
Who do
told
you
them
think did that?
Yogesh and Himanshu.
हिमांशु
And I feel like
क्या
Saurabh
तुम-
actually played a big role in it as well.
So
He did.
हिमांशु क्या तुम दूसरों की बेइज्जती या उनको डिमीन करके स्क्रीन टाइम लेते हो? Is that your content strategy?
Unfortunately not. I feel like
Unfortunately, so you
I
wanted
thought
to do it.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, come on.
Definitely. Just तरह
So it
से
just happened
because I will tell you
organically.
why. I will tell you why because the
Yes.
way he's telling me that we used to enjoy that. Now I'm sitting back and thinking maybe we could have done that if he feels that way, but it wasn't like that. अगर होता भी तो हम मुंह पे ही बोल देते. हमने मुंह पे भी तो इसको कितनी गालियाँ दी हैं. We've abused you and we've
Yeah,
done
yeah,
so much.
and I did it back.
Vice versa, right?
Towards the end of the show, things
Yeah.
got a lot better.
Yeah,
But
so-
initially, I don't understand because we went into the show extremely close. I don't know. I felt like it was just us boys against everybody, you know. And then all of a
Yes.
sudden, things just tore apart and was everyone against me, which I was okay with because I knew I'd outperform these guys anyway.
Right.
Yeah.
Now I hope कि you all are all done blowing your own trumpet. So let's move on to others' trumpets. हर्षित, आप good looking तो है ही, ठीक है? Agreed? करते हो agree?
या
कर रहा है agree? ठीक है?
Yeah.
करना पड़ता है.
आप परफॉर्म भी अच्छा कर लेते हो, मतलब दिख रहा है आपके डोले वोले तो बने शरे अच्छे खासे, ठीक है? आप एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स भी करते हो, सब कुछ आप में अच्छा था, पोटेंशियल भी था. फिर शो पे कुछ क्यों नहीं हुआ? आपकी कनेक्शन नहीं बनी, आप टास्क अच्छा कर सकते थे बट आपने उतना परफॉर्म नहीं किया. ओवरऑल आई थिंक आप में काफ़ी पोटेंशियल था, जो मुझे अभी देख कर भी लग रहा है कि हाँ ये बंदा कर देगा या मज़ा आएगा इससे बात करके, पर वो मज़ा हमें आया नहीं. व्हाट हैपेंड?
क्योंकि मैंने भी आज तक ऐसा मजा नहीं करा था ना.
वाह वाह वाह, व्हाट एन आंसर.
He's a
मैं-
picky one.
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता पहले स्टार्टिंग में ना. मैंने आज तक कभी ये सब चीजें करी नहीं थी.
क्या सब चीज़?
मैंने कभी
लड़कियों
अपने
से
आप
बात?
हाँ लड़कियों से बात
कभी नहीं करी
मैंने
है?
बचपन से अपने आप पे बहुत मेहनत करी. एक ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर आप कभी बच्चे हो और आपको कोई मुंह नहीं लगा रहा है, आप इग्नोर कर रहे हो, आप साइड में बैठे हो, तो आपके अंदर एक होता है कि यार मैं भी इनके जैसा बन के दिखाऊंगा. तो मेरे के अंदर वो आग थी और मैं अपने आप पे मेहनत करी. तब जब मैं शो में गया उसके बाद मुझे लगा यार काश मैं भी कॉलेज के बाहर गया होता और बात करी होती लड़कियों से, तो आज मुझे इतना टफ नहीं होता ये सब चीज़ें.
पर लड़कियां भी तो इंसान ही है, तो इंसान से बात करने में क्या डर?
मैं वही तो समझा ना शो के बाद. शो के मिड में मैं समझा. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मेरा परफॉर्मेंस भी बढ़ने लगा. अभी आप देखेंगे शो जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेगा. उसके बाद मैंने खुद मेहनत करी कनेक्शन बनाने में.
हाँ.
स्टार्टिंग में तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था. मैं सोचता था कि यार कैसे बनाऊं कनेक्शन, क्या
अब
बात
वो
करूं.
हमें भी दिख रहा था कि आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
वही ना, मुझे तो साफ नजर आ रहा था पर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं करूं कैसे
वो
बात.
हमें भी नजर आ रहा था कि इसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ये करे कैसे. तो क्या आपकी आज के पहले कभी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं रही है?
रही थी ना उसके बाद से तो मैंने छोड़
बात
दिया
नहीं
सब
करी
चीजें.
थी?
मैंने बात करी थी तभी तो मैंने छोड़ दिया सब चीजें.
Sign language.
हाँ. that
उसके
makes
बाद
sense.
मुझे फिर बहुत ट्रस्ट इश्यूज होने लगे कि मैं समझ नहीं आता था मुझे कि यार अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूंगा तो शायद ये मेरे मजे ले लेगी या कुछ.
Men and their trust issues. Okay. Now tell me, आपको शो पे जैसा कि आपने खुद ही एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा था for the longest time. Do you know कि there are people जो along with some other contestants, they are calling you a buffer contestant,
I
like
know.
a filler contestant. So do you think कि you somewhere or the other let down the people that were expecting आपसे कुछ?
देखो लोगों को तो मैंने लेट डाउन करा है वो दूर की बात है. मैंने खुद को लेट डाउन करा है, वो बहुत बड़ी बात
किया है
है। मैं बहुत बार मैंने अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिस करी
Right.
और मैं अभी तक रिग्रेट करता हूँ उस चीज़ों के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला था और मैं कर नहीं पाया, क्योंकि मैं जैसे मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, मैं कभी गया नहीं उस जोन में, मैंने कभी ऐसी चीज़ें ट्राई नहीं करी, पर मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि मैं उस जोन में गया, मैं सीखा। अब मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि लोग बफर बोले, जो भी बोल रहे हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा इंग्लिश मेरी बहुत अच्छी है, लोगों ने एक वीडियोस भी बनाई थी मेरे ऊपर, द एक्सेंट आई वांट एंड द एक्सेंट आई हैव।
मस्ती वाली वीडियो
ना
मैंने देखी नहीं है, यू हैव टू शो मी दिस वीडियो जो
हाँ, तो उसमें ऑडियंस कह रही
अरे वो
है कि us
बेसिकली
bro us।
वो ना
ब्रो लेट मी या
हाँ
तो उसमें लोग बोल रहे हैं कि अस ब्रो अस। तो उसमें मुझे बहुत मजा आया उसमें
आई
ना
लव
देख
दिस
के।
सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। सही है, बहुत सही है।
मैं यही देखा कि मैं अभी तो मैं बहुत सीख रहा हूँ, उसके बाद भी मैं सीखा।
तो अब आप
मैं-
लड़कियों से बात कर सकते
हाँ, मैं जैसे आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं इसके बाद सीखा कि एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग मुझे बात करनी चाहिए। पहले मेरी पर्सनैलिटी, मतलब मेरा
cute.
पर्सपेक्टिव कुछ और था बात करने
क्या था कि ये इंसान नहीं है?
इंसान नहीं, मैं सोचता था कि यार ये कहीं मुझे वो तो नहीं कर रही, ये मेरे साथ कहीं दिमाग लगाने की कोशिश तो नहीं कर रही है,
छल
सब
कपट
चीज़-
ना कर
छल
दे।
कपट एग्जैक्टली।
सही बात है, कपटी तो हम लोग होते हैं।
कपटी तो हम भी होते हैं,
वी नो।
ये है ना।
वो हमें पता है। तो अभी जब हमने इतनी आपकी लव स्टोरीज की बात की, जो हुई नहीं बट पोटेंशियल, कमिंग टू यू टेल लव स्टोरीज, you had a thing with Sadaf, right? You were pretty vocal about it as well. Both of you were, in fact. So, given the fact that you were given hearts by multiple women, right? What made you pick Sadaf? Was there somebody else that was in your head, but due to the unavailability, you went for Sadaf, or was it something that caught your eye?
I feel like, obviously going into the show, there were options, and I spoke to 3 of the girls. And after speaking to Sadaf, I felt like I did not want to speak to anybody else. Conversation flowed, our connection was organic.
Yeah.
Things were just really good between us from the very start.
So, the very first time you spoke to Sadaf, you knew that, okay, this was the person that I want to have my connection with?
Yeah, and yeah, I mean, and even another thing is if you see how Sadaf is with everybody.
Yeah.
But she was like that with Saurabh, she was like that with Himanshu, she was like that
Yeah.
with everybody. But then she made a love triangle, well, the show made a love triangle between me, Saurabh, and Sadaf. Nothing like that, and it pisses me off immensely. It makes me look like a.
I don't think it was a love triangle. Basically, I think.
But that's what it looks like.
So
In initial episodes, 1 or 2.
Yeah, initially, it's still going.
Not
Some-
really. Now Sadaf is involved with the other angle. Yes, you were saying something, Himanshu.
I was saying that मतलब बाहर तो लोग देखो वो करेंगे, you know, they will ship whoever they want
Yeah.
to ship with. They have their favorites and they also have their people that they don't like. So they will try to
That
pair
they don't like.
that they will pair them with the people that they like. It's not to blame
So
anybody.
you were the
but-
one who were disliked and people wanted to keep
Yeah,
you
I
out of
was
the picture?
super hated.
Were you though?
Yeah, I mean, initially the first, 2-3 weeks of the show
I don't
starting.
think so.
Sure. I've never received hate like that in my life.
So maybe
Yeah.
that is why you felt like it was a lot of hate. But coming from somebody who has taken a lot of hate, that was not a lot of hate, bro. That was just, yeah, okay.
A drop in
Weekend
the
hate.
ocean. All right.
Now, I have to ask you, you mentioned that the very first time you spoke to Sadaf, you knew that XYZ is the person for me. What about somebody being crazy for you, Tay? Did that not bother?
I mean, that is a very sensitive topic, especially right now because of all the bullshit that she's caused.
Let's just take that very interaction. For instance, did you, like when you guys were meeting in the villa and talking, did you also not like her then, Anjali, back then?
So I liked the fact that she had interested in something I was interested in.
Okay.
When we first had our first interaction, she wanted me to teach her how to box, right? And it was something that I connected with her on. But after one conversation with her, I knew for a fact that's not somebody I wanted to even speak to.
So that is how you put a full stop to this entire
And that was it, a
exploration.
full stop. That was the last time I actually had a normal conversation with her.
Okay, that was intense. Moving on to some less intense topic. हिमांशु, आपने इसके पहले भी एक आध शो किए हुए हैं, आपने रियलिटी किया हुआ है, and you performed pretty decent also. So क्यों हुआ ऐसा कि लोगों ने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल भी नहीं चुना and gave you no hearts?
Any guesses कि ये कौन सा लव पोशन है?
Sunshine and sin.
Sunshine and Sin, जो किसी ने सिलेक्ट नहीं किया था.
No. But the picture is awesome though.
कोई बात नहीं.
ऐसे ही होता है.
Real और भी अच्छा है.
I feel like जो मैंने prompts लिखे थे, like I had to give initially we had to give like this. What was it? A pickup line?
Yeah.
A DM.
Yeah, DM slide in.
and then there was a picture that you had to send. अब मेरे लिए बहुत सिंपल था कि मैं I want to show my personality more through that DM instead of persuading people. वो मेरे को लगा कि शायद I think that would be better because if I get a chance I would maybe get to describe why I've sent that DM. बट फिर हमें पता चला कि वो हमसे पहले जाएगा और हम उसे एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हैं ना हम उस फोटो को नहीं कर सकते हैं ना डीएम को कर सकते हैं कि हमें बताया ही नहीं था कि इसका होगा क्या तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आई फील लाइक दैट इज समथिंग दैट डिड नॉट फॉल इनटू प्लेस बट ग्रेजुअली व्हेन आई वेंट आई वाज लकी इनफ टू गेट माय टाइम और फिर लोगों को वो पसंद आया और फिर I did get enough hearts. पर हाँ वो शुरू में यही हुआ कि हमें like none of us knew what they're gonna do with that picture or with that drink. हमें बस ये कहा था कि आप अपने बारे में describe करो और क्योंकि वो छोटी-छोटी तरीकों से था कि like drink के लिए कुछ words दो तो मुझे हमें भी ये था I think hopefully सबको ये था कि अगर words दिए जा रहे तो शायद हमें मौका मिलेगा उसे explain करने का वो मौका नहीं मिला तो I think that is the reason.
And then after you did get an opportunity to choose from the girls that were into you, why Diksha?
I had the second person that I talked to was Diksha. उससे पहले भी मैंने नॉर्मल हाई हेलो की थी सब लोगों से बट आई फील लाइक जब मैंने सब लोगों से एक हाई हेलो की मेरे को बस एक नेचुरली बात करने का ज़्यादा मन हुआ दीक्षा से और जब मैंने उससे ज़्यादा बात की मुझे और बात करने का मन किया एंड आई फील लाइक दैट इज़ व्हाट रियली क्लिक्ड because I feel like
what is it that you liked about her?
The fact that she was very genuine, she was very real, she was very raw, she was on the face and the fact that very honestly she told me that she hasn't seen any of my other shows which very honestly everybody knows is a good thing that she hasn't because then she would have a different perspective about me and I'm glad I found somebody like her क्योंकि कैसे ना कि I think you would also agree over this जो social media पे या जो show पे आता है that is not entirely you yes definitely that is one side of you but then there are different sides of you that people that actually meet you in person get to know about तो वो चीज़ थी जो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं क्लिक की और फिर आई जस्ट डिड नॉट फील लाइक आई हैड टू गो समवेयर एल्स बिकॉज आई समवॉट हैव सम दैट काइंड ऑफ कंफर्ट विद हर
And आपको 2 दिन में ही you got so much comfort that you wanted her to meet your mother and you were talking all those lovey-dovey 2 दिन में इतना प्यार
well everybody has met my mother ये लोग भी अभी यहाँ पे आए हुए थे मैंने इनको भी ये बोला मेरी मम्मी घर पे ही रहती हैं
So is it not special?
It is definitely special but people that are close to me not to a girlfriend like not to a potential wife that is what people are putting it towards मेरे लिए ये कि मैं अगर किसी से दोस्ती भी करता हूँ तो मेरे लिए मम्मी है इंपॉर्टेंट तो अगर उनको वो नहीं आते मेरे दोस्त भी पसंद तो वो मेरे लिए है कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लमेटिक मेरे को चाहिए कि वो लोग रहें उनके साथ क्योंकि अब जैसे भी मेरे घर पर भी जो दोस्त आए हैं वो सब मेरी मम्मी के साथ ही चिल करते हैं एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग पार्ट ऑफ मी आई बिलीव
हर्षित आपका पहले सौंदर्य से जब बात हुआ था देन शी वॉज नॉट इनटू यू ठीक है फिर स्वैप के बाद ओके करेक्शन आई एम सो सॉरी आई टेक इट बैक यस टेल अस मोर अबाउट दैट इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं क्या हुआ आपके सौंदर्य के बीच में आपको वो क्यों नहीं पसंद आई क्या आप उसको पसंद आए
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था पहले जब मैं कनेक्शन बनाने की बारी है तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कैसे बात करनी है
ओके
और फिर मैं उसके पास भी कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था मेरे पास भी कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था
मजबूरी थी फिर
मजबूरी थी दोनों की मजबूरी थी फिर हम दोनों मिले अब बारी आती है टास्क तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं थी हमारे हम दोनों के बीच में और फिर टास्क में अगर मैं कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अगर मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि यार हम ये चैलेंज कर लेंगे पूरा मैं उसको बोलता था कि तू टेंशन मत ले मैं हूँ इधर
फिर आपकी उससे बनी नहीं फिर जब विला मर्ज हुआ फिर आपने कियोना से कोशिश की फिर उसने भी टास्क इतना बढ़िया परफॉर्म किया
कियोना के मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि कियोना जब मैं देखा मैंने कियोना को तो कियोना बहुत अकेले अकेले घूमती थी और हम विला में बहुत नए आए हुए थे कियोना अकेले अकेले घूम रही है और फिर उसने सौरभ से कनेक्शन बनाने की कोशिश करी सौरभ ने मना करा मैं बोलता हूँ आपको आई एम अ काइंड हार्टेड मैन तो मुझे जीत और हार से उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है जितना मुझे दूसरे के इमोशन से फर्क पड़ता है तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा कि और मैंने कोशिश करी
किडनी टचिंग नॉट इवन हार्ट
किडनी ओह माय गॉड तो मुझे बहुत वैसे बुरा लगा तो मैंने तभी तो उसको बोला
तो
कि
आपने दया करके उसके ऊपर उसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाया
उस पर दया करके नहीं है
तो
उधर की जो अलायंस थी कोई उसको टारगेट कर रहा है कोई उसको कुछ बुरा भला बोल रहा है तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया क्यों बुरा भला बोल रहे हैं तो मैंने उससे बात करी और मैंने उससे ये बोला कि तू टेंशन मत ले मैं इधर हूँ भाई नहीं हर्षित है इधर टेंशन मत ले
तो तुम्हारा खाता खुला कि नहीं खुला
टास्क में हम हार गए
अरे टास्क की तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर रही थी. कनेक्शन वाइज
कनेक्शन वाइज
लड़कियों के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ मैं.
उसके बाद
खाता खुला.
खाता खुला, अभी वो आने वाले एपिसोड में पता चलेगा.
ओके.
फिर मैंने कोशिश करी ना, धीरे धीरे समझ में आता है.
फिर अब सीख गया तब तक मैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. सो एक्सेप्ट फॉर लाइक 3-4 नेम्स, मोस्टली ऐसा लग रहा है दैट दीज गाइज आर लिसनिंग मोर टू देयर ब्रदर्स देन द गर्ल्स दैट दे आर विद. Is that true? And what's your POV on this?
If I look at it from my perspective, I feel like their little Bhaichara group held them back a lot in a lot
Yes.
of instances.
Yes.
And I
How?
felt like, I mean, bro, if you look at what happened and how many times that you guys chose each other over your connection or this or that.
Yes.
Give me one example.
Okay, the Ayush and you example when you had to step down, where you said, you know what, you are more deserving than me and Anjali.
But I wasn't with my connection
Okay,
there.
but that's not the point. The point is you deserved it more than they did.
Okay, Tain, the question is, when there has been a time
All right,
where
bro, let me finish my perspective, all right?
Yes, please.
I don't think you got the question.
Please.
After I stepped away, well, I didn't really step away, I was very close with Harshit and Chucks throughout
Right.
the show, right? But as soon as I started putting myself and my connection ahead, then things got a lot better for me
Yeah.
and
of
my
course.
connection. So I felt like their group really made things difficult for themselves.
But how? Give me one example.
See,
That's what I'm
I'll give
saying.
you one example as an audience perspective. This is the opinion of Kashish Kapoor, the viewer, not the podcast host. So let's just differentiate that first. जब मैं एपिसोड देख रही हूँ and मैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल देख रही हूँ कि मैं एक प्यार का एक पैसा का दोनों का एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ आपको अलग अलग. जैसे अगर पैसा विला में एक गुल्लू है, ठीक है, गुल्लू अपना दिख रहा है, गौरेश सिर्फ उसका भाई बन के दिख रहा है क्योंकि वो अपने भाई भाई की सुनता है. भाईचारा कर रहे हैं दोनों पर दिख तो गुल्लू रहा है. आपकी और मैं अगर योगेश की बात करूं फॉर एग्जांपल, आगे क्या होता है वी डोंट नो. सो फार आप अपना काम कर रहे हो, आप अपना दिख रहे हो, ये अपना अलग कर रहा है तो ये दिख रहा है. योगेश आपका भाई बना हुआ है, वो आपकी भाईचारे में देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग क्योंकि यू आर बेनिफिटिंग फ्रॉम इट. बट योगेश बीइंग योर ब्रदर इज नॉट बेनिफिटिंग फ्रॉम इट. मे बी ही डजंट रियलाइज, बट व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक इज दैट he is listening to you more. Nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't make you equals, does it? If he put himself in the situation, he came out looking the way he did because he was not following the brother code. He had friends, but he put himself first. He wasn't listening, okay, bhai, you tell me, okay, you said, so I'll do it. But if Yogesh told you, okay, bhai, you tell me, I'll listen, that doesn't come out looking very nice. And that's exactly, I think, what he's also trying to say, that when you do the bhaichara, your own personal gains, they do take a back step, and even your connection for that matter of fact.
I 100% would like to disagree with
Of
that
course you would.
because Yogesh has always done whatever he's wanted to.
That's an example.
No, I'm just saying that Yogesh has always done whatever he wanted to. It's not like कि अगर मैंने उसको बोला है कि like for example this partner is not good for you. It's not like he's left that partner. It's not like he's went for somebody else. Or if I've told him कि भाई ये ऐसे करना है तो तू ऐसे कर. Yogesh has his own personality. He has his own game. एंड आगे भी जाके पता चलेगा यार उसने अच्छा खेला है और वो मेरे बहकावे में आने वाले लोगों में से नहीं है. ये है थोड़ा बहुत टेन आ जाता है पर नॉट योगेश डेफिनेटली.
Dane, you were giving your perspective. Please do that.
Oh, no, I'm done with this topic. I just feel like
Same.
तो मैं
Next
ऐड करता हूँ भाईचारा.
Yes.
बात खत्म.
I've said what I want.
Let me at this point, this is very, very crucial. I'm gonna need it multiple times. Let me please introduce this already. This is the bell
For
which I press when you all are deviating and going around the bush and just giving monologues.
so basically just for Himanshu to
Yeah.
keep quiet.
Your words, not mine. Now, Tane,
Yes.
you look confused.
As in?
Period. You look confused even right now. You look rather lost, precisely. And even on the show, many a times, you walked out of the show. You made the wrong choice between Preet and Disha
That was
during the
an
boat out.
accident, yeah.
And then you said, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. And we were like, okay. Then you felt attacked. But outside the show, especially on social media, you seem to have found a long lost voice. What's about that?
Humbly decline your friendship request. And this was a mistake. Preet and Diksha. I was very quiet on the show, which
Why?
I regret. I regret. Bro, I mean, talking about, I could have put things into a lot better perspective, and I didn't. I didn't understand context of most things, so I kept quiet most of the time. Yes, now I can get my voice out. I can explain exactly how I feel in the situations according to those episodes because, I mean, I'm now seeing it from outside point of view. Anyway.
Okay, that was.
No, wait, hold on, sorry.
Oh, thank you.
You just,
Shall I repeat
It's
the question
okay,
for you?
Tane. It's okay. It's
Please.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'd not slept in 2-3 days. Yogesh and I had a serious physical altercation.
Okay.
Which led us, I just was done with the show. I was done with everything. I was struggling to understand a lot
When
of things.
you worked out?
No, that was a pre-Diksha
So then-
situation. That's
when
when I
is
made
this
that
about?
stupid decision
Okay,
in the
got it,
power
got it.
chamber.
Fair.
I was just not there. Yes, I was lost, confused. I was done with the show. I wanted to walk out. When Kiona walked out, I was like, is this my chance to go?
अपने आप को इतना सीरियस नहीं रखना है मेरे को फन करना है अब यहाँ बैठे तो हमेशा बदल जाता है
Chup, please, bro. Sit the down.
नो ब्रो
I can't do this shit. Honestly, I can't do this.
No. You can't talk to him like that.
You guys are such children. But I just needed to pull myself together. I was tired, not sleeping. I did clear it up on social media as well. I don't think it justifies why I made that decision because I honestly don't have an explanation.
So do you accept that maybe you did not make the best move then?
No, I definitely did not make the best move because we went in there with a plan and fuck, straight over my head.
Perfect. This
Yeah.
show is all about accountability. So if you take it, we
Yeah,
move on.
Right on the chin.
Talking about accountability, Himanshu, what exactly happened with Urfi in the power chamber?
हम आपकी प्रेफरेंस पूछ रहे हैं
और मेरी प्रेफरेंस प्यार है उर्फी मेरी प्रेफरेंस प्यार है और प्यार ही रहेगी पैसे के ऊपर चाहे वो लाइफ हो या स्प्लिट्स विला इज दैट क्लियर
Are you asking me?
या
You want me to be clear?
या
Wow. We are very clear.
We are very clear, but अगर आपका एटीट्यूड ये रहा तो शायद आगे आपकी क्लैरिटी कम हो जाए
अरे नहीं मैं तो अपनी तरफ से बता रहा हूँ
Which is a good thing, which is a
What
very
did
good
you
thing.
mean by is that clear? Should we be scared of you?
It's very simple. When I was in that mischief den, जब मैं वहाँ पे था तो बहुत simple POV था मेरा that this is what I want to choose. I don't think you can manipulate me. I said it like 3 times. उससे पहले भी वो बोलने से मैंने 3 बार पहले बोल दिया था मुझे प्यार चूज करना है and then they were like no this is what you did then why are you choosing this and I said no मुझे
They
प्यार
did
ही
exactly the
choose
same to me. I didn't disrespect them once.
but I didn't disrespect them I don't think so I disrespected them I did not say anything ill to them I did not मतलब मैंने कुछ foul language नहीं
You don't
use
think
की
you
थी
were disrespectful?
I don't think so
Even Karan and Sunny told you that you were disrespectful. You don't think that was
they told me
disrespectful?
that I was talking to her like this there is no place where I was talking to her like this either
But your tone and your body language?
So my tone is in a way मेरी आवाज़ अगर भारी है जो मेरी body language है मैं हाथ पीछे खड़ा करके यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ if that is what makes people think that I'm arrogant I'm really sorry that I'm arrogant all the time because I always stand up like that my voice is like that but I did not say anything back to her
Accountability and you are running like parallel lines right now.
Just hit that
but I
button.
would love to complete my sentence for once
Please do it, yeah.
थैंक यू तो बहुत सिंपल था मैंने कुछ उन्हें उल्टा नहीं बोला था मैंने 3 बार सेम चीज़ रिपीट की थी कि मुझे प्यार ही चूज़ करना है मुझे प्यार ही चूज़ करना है फिर मैंने आखिरी बार भी यही बोला कि मुझे प्यार ही चूज़ करना है इज इट क्लियर नाउ इट केम अक्रॉस टू हर दैट आई एम सेइंग इट इन अ इंटिमिडेटिंग टोन व्हेन शी सेड इट कि हाउ कैन यू टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट तो मैंने क्लियर किया दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई मेंट दिस इज व्हाट आई मेंट इफ यू फेल्ट लाइक दैट आई एम सॉरी पर फिर वो एग्जैजरेट हुआ फिर वो ड्रैग हुआ फिर उसके अंदर ये भी आया कि तुम घूमो चूज़ करो मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता फिर सामने से चिल्लाना भी और तब भी मैं यही एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ दैट इफ somebody will talk to me like this I am not going to take it still I did not say anything ill to her so I don't think I was disrespectful and even now there is no beef between me and Urfi हमारी उसके बाद भी बहुत normally बात हुई थी but in that moment I felt like because I'm a contestant I was supposed to take all of that and I don't believe in that I believe that जब मैंने कुछ अगर उल्टा नहीं बोला है तो I shouldn't be you know called out for it
And these are your words throughout the show, by the way. I will make sure
yes
you are out. वो चलो आपने contestant को बोला.
I will.
Do you understand?
Yes,
Contestant
twice.
को बोला. And am I clear? जो आपने उर्फी को बोला. Now, am I clear in itself is not anything questionable, right? But am I clear? That is not an attitude that you would take with your seniors. which is exactly what the audience also said, the hosts also said, Urfi also said. So you think कि host, audience, Urfi सब गलत है पर आप सही हो?
नहीं, I think there's a huge chunk of audience that also talked about how the way Urfi was talking was not nice.
Yeah,
There was
yeah.
a huge
Certainly.
chunk of audience that was saying that the way Karan Paji was saying वो कहीं ना कहीं शायद उनको वो पूरी situation का उतना ग्रास नहीं था, तो audience का भी अलग-अलग point of view है. It's a little bit different from what I think you've seen, but besides that, I will make sure that you are out of the game. Yes, I would say that. For my connection, I would say that a million times, and I would say that to anybody. But it does not mean that I'm disrespecting women. If I'm saying that, is it clear what I'm saying? I'm not disrespecting women. The angle वो वैसे आया था, जैसे करण पाजी ने भी बोला that you cannot talk to a girl like that. You know, that is what I had a problem with. It was evidently said so many times that you can't talk to a girl like that. It wasn't like that. I was saying what I wanted to say. Maybe जिस तरह से मैं बात करता हूँ, किसी को लग सकता है कि मैं बदतमीजी से बात कर रहा हूँ, but it's not because of the fact that they're a guy or a girl or a trans.
Definitely not,
you know? Yes. So that is what really bugged me in that moment. और उसके बाद भी मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत खटकी कि वो जो angle दिया गया वो गलत था. But yes, I will make sure, and I will say that a million times, if somebody will try to take out my connection, I will make sure I ruin their game. I will make sure that they're not able to survive in the game.
Yeah, no, that I have no issues with. That's completely fair.
Yeah.
But उसके पहले this entire, the way it got escalated, your words weren't wrong per se. Maybe you will not agree with it, different perspectives, but that is where we differ. I think where I also come from, the tone, the body language that you had, which is the reason I believe that even she got so pissed and the producer had to come or whatever. With the body language that you had, that I think is not something that you take with your seniors or your host. If I am wrong, tell me that. I see
I mean,
you
if
smiling.
somebody feels disrespected, you should take accountability and just apologize and get over it.
Yeah, but then
But you
I think
emphasis saying on
Perfect.
something. Thank you.
On that note, thank you. On that
खत्म हो
note,
गया.
I see काफी गर्मी बढ़ रही है इधर. I can feel the tension. I can feel the heat. So now it's time for the hot mic. Guys, this is the hot mic, ठीक है? अभी हम लोग ऐसा pretend करने वाले हैं कि your mics are not working. Mic खराब हो गया. हो जाता है ना? Events, shoots, काम करो तो होता है. I would know. So, अब मैं आप सबको ये माइक देने वाली हूँ एंड मैं एक एक नाम लेने वाली हूँ. सो यू हैव टू टेल मी, आपके मन में जो भी आता है उस इंसान के बारे में विदाउट सेकंड थॉट्स, एडजेक्टिव्स चाहिए हमको, शब्द यूज करो, कैसा है वो इंसान. सो वील स्टार्ट विथ
Himanshu.
लेडीज मैन फर्स्ट. ओके, रेडी? Oh, घोड़ा.
He always uses Gora, so I'm trying to teach
No,
him how to
it's
say
Gha.
Gha. Yeah, that's what
Gado.
ये हर
What?
बार ना गोरा बोल देता है. मैंने कहा गोरा बोलेगा.
गोरा तू है.
Gora.
तू गोरा है, वो घोड़ा.
घोड़ा.
ओके, 10 रेडी? आपने इतना घोड़ा घोड़ा कर ही दिया तो हिमांशु.
Gora.
घोड़ा. घोड़ा.
Try it with me. Gha.
Give us your
Ghoda.
unfiltered opinion.
Gora. Arrogant, self-obsessed, doesn't know how to take accountability.
No.
Yet, I do think he's a strong performer, but I feel like he's extremely
Okay. Sadaf.
quirky, fun, exciting. Please, man, you do it first. I'm not understanding.
Quirky.
I would love for this both of these, ये जो दोनों तरह से इसने बोला ना, दोनों please डालना उसके अंदर, please एक भी मत miss करना. I would love
That's
to.
all that you have to say for her.
So she's not clingy anymore.
I mean, for fuck's sake. I mean, bro, go ahead.
She is.
Go ahead. Let's
He
see how
will
you
get
go.
his chance.
I will get my chance. Don't worry, I have my chance, Tain. Don't worry.
Next.
Tain.
Diksha. If this
She's
is how
actually
we-
very confused.
Okay.
Rude. She became very nice, and we actually got on quite well towards the end, but this is how she was throughout.
Okay. And last but not the least, of course, Tain Anchale.
Delusional,
The accent.
absolute. What's up with the accent?
Yeah.
Delusional, all over the place, confused. Okay, bro, I'm done with this. Please, bro.
Yeah, so are we.
Me?
Yes. Himanshu? Gullu.
Gullu. Ullu. Number one. Good competitor. Under the belt jokes.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't think so. That's an adjective, but I feel like
No, fair.
he's a good
Below the belt he goes.
He's a good competition, but at the same time वो कभी-कभार वो lines cross कर देता है as jokes जो नहीं करनी चाहिए. Not just to people who are his competition, to his friends as well. योगेश के बारे में भी चीज़ें बोल देता है, जो उसके दोस्त हैं उनके बारे में बोल देता है. I think that's very sly. If you really want to make jokes about somebody, make it on their face. Like I don't mind him making jokes about me. पर फिर वो अपने दोस्तों के बारे में भी सेम तरीके से वो slyly jokes मार रहा है.
That is where you draw the line.
Yeah, I don't go with
Okay.
that.
Kiona.
Kiona, I think she's very smart. She's two-faced and not real. I think.
Not. Yeah, I think we've gotten that input lately.
Yeah.
अभी हाल फिलहाल में मुझे 3-4 और लोगों ने यही spill करा है इस couch पे.
So मतलब ऐसा था कि कैमरा जब चला जाता है उसे गेम के बारे में सब पता है, उसे पता है गेम कैसे खेलनी है, वो बहुत अच्छे से into the game है, लाइंस में है. जैसे ही कैमरा आता है तो फिर वैसे मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है. And then she would start crying and then she would put on this act where I am trying to make a connection, पर देखो मेरे से तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. There is a reason. She's not bad looking. She looks very good. She has her own personality. पर वो जिस तरह से flip करती है उस वजह से लोगों को पसंद नहीं आती है. So I feel like that is a perspective that I believe a lot of people other would have.
Akansha.
Akansha, I think she's also not real.
Not real?
Yeah. She has said a lot of things, but in reality she is quite different. I think she's a bad friend.
Why do you say that she said a lot of things and in reality she's different?
For example, अगर वो हम मेरी बात करती है या दीक्षा की बात करती है, कई जगह पे जाके वो हमें बोल रही है that we're trying to take her name for clout, but I think it's quite funny क्योंकि अभी तक शो पे जितना भी हुआ है, I haven't seen Akansha in the show at least, or when we were in the show as well, that big of a competition that we would need to talk about her, you know.
Okay.
So I feel like that taking from there to up to a different place, I think that is very weird. That is what I believe.
Okay. So you feel like Akansha wasn't important enough कि आप उसके बारे में बात
She wasn't that big of a competition. Importance तो थी क्योंकि वो योगेश की connection थी.
Otherwise कुछ नहीं.
It's just that. मतलब पहले दोस्त थी मेरी. पर besides that, अब मैं अगर एक शो के अंदर हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे को मेरे competition से फ़र्क पड़ता है या मेरे दोस्तों से, तो वो मेरी दोस्त भी नहीं थी और वो इतनी बड़ी कंपटीशन भी नहीं थी. तो आई नेवर रियली फाउंड हर दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट आई वुड नीड टू टॉक अबाउट हर. बट इफ शी इज सेइंग सो मच न्यू थिंग्स एंड इफ शी इज ट्राइंग टू पोर्ट्रे इट इन अ वे दैट नाउ आई एम यू नो दिस पर्सन, और बाहर मेरे बारे में लोग बोल रहे हैं ये सब चीज़ें, इट वाजंट लाइक दैट. दैट इज व्हाट आई थिंक.
And last, Sadaf.
Sadaf, I think, is very sweet. I think मेरी उससे आगे चल के शायद लड़ाई हो जाए, बट आई फील लाइक शी इज़ बीन वेरी नाइस टू मी ऑल दिस वाइल, एंड आई फील लाइक शी इज़ विद द मोस्ट idiotic person ever in the show, and she will definitely regret it.
Oh, she will.
Yeah.
Okay. Harshit,
Yes,
time for you.
please, thank you.
Saundarya.
सौंदर्य, बकचोद
Okay.
and clever.
Clever.
Yes,
Okay.
that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Kiona.
Kiona, very smart.
है?
हाँ, अगर प्रिडिक्शन की मैं बात करूँ, एक चैलेंज था जिसमें हमें प्रिडिक्ट करना था कि कौन आउट होगा, जिसमें 3 लोगों को पॉइंट्स मिले थे, निहारिका, कायरा एंड कियोना. शी न्यू, उसको पता था कि कौन निकला था, आयुष. हाँ, आयुष. उसको पता था कि आयुष भी निकलने वाला है, ऐसे निकलने वाला है. उसको ये पता कि कहाँ पर कैसे रिएक्ट करना है, कहाँ पे एक्ट करना है, कहाँ पे क्या करना है.
Okay.
She's smart.
Preet.
प्रीत बहुत कंपैशनेट है. और अगर हम 3 लोग बैठे हुए हैं, अगर किसी को उसको सपोर्ट करना है तो वो खुले दिल से भी सपोर्ट करेगी. और अगर आपको कभी भी किसी चीज़ की दिक्कत है या कभी भी परेशानी है, शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर टू लिसन मी, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है. और मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, और धीरे धीरे देखते हैं शो में क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता.
Last name, Saurav.
सौरभ. सौरभ, आई कैन से वो सपोर्टर है बहुत अच्छा योगेश का.
तो क्या उसने अपनी आइडेंटिटी लूज की in order to do that कभी भी?
यस.
Okay. That's all we needed to know. Hot mic is over.
अरे मेरे को
Thank you.
10 का नाम नहीं दिया.
बस अगले शो में ले.
कुछ बोलना है तुम्हें?
मैं तो क्यों, क्या हुआ?
बोलने?
बोलते बोल हाँ
बोलो ना 10 बोलो.
Okay, Himanshu,
fuck.
it's time. Give us adjectives for 10.
Fake, attention seeker, unnecessarily trying to talk about people where it's not needed.
Are you talking about yourself?
No, I'm talking about 10. And why would you say that, Kashish?
It was a joke.
Okay.
I mean, bro,
Anyways.
not far off, to be honest.
Yeah, definitely.
On
You will see
yourself.
that. But
Bro, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
you don't know what I'm talking about?
Explain why.
I will tell you.
Why
Should
am
I start
fake?
with attention
Why am I
seeker?
fake? I literally say everything straight to your face and to everyone else's face. I'm there.
Okay, so should I start with attention seeker or fake?
Start with both. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so I think fake, number one, I will give you an example. Just now you were talking about Sadaf in such a nice manner, but then right
I
in the
was
second...
speaking about how I felt in the beginning of the show.
Okay.
Why I wanted to be with hers because things flowed and it was just an organic connection.
Yeah, but I feel like he's very fake. I think he calls, especially on social media now, जहाँ अब उसे पता लग रहा है कि बाहर उसकी बहुत चीज़ें बाहर आ रही हैं, लोग उसके बारे में बहुत बोल रहे हैं. So he's asking for attention. So that. And now I'm done.
Are you sure you're done?
Yeah.
Sab theek hai.
Finally, end of the session and end of the hot mic. Moving on. Now, 10. Sadaf is your connection, and she also happened to be a friend of his. Given the dynamics जो आप दोनों share करते हैं, was it difficult for you to navigate? Was it ever just too much for you to handle? What was it like?
My connection with Sadaf.
Your connection with Sadaf, and Sadaf was friends with him. So that dynamics.
That wasn't really a problem because I actually saw what they had was real and he really looked out for her and I respected that a lot. I never had a problem with Himanshu in general. The thing was is we were competition. We had a lot to say about back and forth. It was never ugly between him and I. Yes, it got ugly, but the thing is he really looked out for Sadaf and I respected that a lot. He really cared about her feelings and if I was right for her or not, and I respected that because I mean he just wanted her to be happy and okay.
Okay, very sweet. Coming to you now, Himanshu.
Yeah.
A lot of fans of the show are calling you selfish, especially when it comes to Diksha. Ki you let her go. जब वो actually जा रही थी, she was like crying and bawling her eyes out, and you didn't say a word to her. Of course, show was important for you, इसलिए आप नहीं जाना चाहते थे. But I assume उसके लिए भी important होगा, and she was also important. But you didn't say anything to her then. जब throne पे बैठने की बारी आई, तब भी आपने सारे split coins ले लिए थे, and you put Diksha in danger again. So how would you like to defend yourself?
पहले आधा हाफ क्वेश्चन का आंसर करता हूँ, फिर आधा हाफ. पहले जब दीक्षा जा रही थी, आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी एविडेंट दैट आई हैव सेड इट बिफोर एज वेल that this show means a lot to me. I would not quit this show for anybody.
Fair.
For anybody. Or किसी any point of time either.
Fair.
But it does not mean that I wanted her to go. You know, like if people perceive the fact that अगर लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि दीक्षा जा रही थी और मैंने बोला नहीं तो मैं चाहता था वो जाए.
नहीं.
अगर वैसा होता तो फिर मैं सदफ के साथ स्टार्टिंग में या बाद में भी कनेक्शन बना सकता था. पर मैंने वो नहीं बनाया. Even though we were not an ideal match, I had that genuine connect with her. I did feel really emotional, but I did not wanted to fool my audience who has been really dear to me, जो मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं कि मैं शो में जाके मैं क्विट कर दूँ. I would never quit. Number one. Number two, जब थ्रोन पे बैठने की बारी आई, मुझे ये पता था कि या तो दीक्षा या फिर मैं, हम दोनों में से कोई एक इंसान थ्रोन पे बैठ सकता है. या तो मैं सारे स्प्लिट कॉइन उसे दे देता या फिर मैं खुद रख लेता. अब उसमें से हमें डिसाइड करना था कि अब कौन बैठने वाला है, क्योंकि अगर मैं भी बैठता हूँ, I'm not putting her in danger. Why? Because if I am in that position of power, I will make sure that, like I said it, I will make sure that I'm keeping her safe, you know. और कुछ भी हो जाए मैं उसको बचा के रखूँ. हाँ, हम दोनों में से हम सोच सकते थे, but I felt like, and also Diksha felt like it's better for us कि अगर मैं throne पे बैठूँ, because I feel that I understood the game better. I'm not saying that she didn't, but comparatively I've done a couple of shows और सेम चीज़ें नहीं होती है शो में, पर आप थोड़ा बहुत समझ जाते हो चीज़ों को. सो दैट वाज द डिसीजन दैट वी मेड एंड आई थिंक इट डिड वर्क आउट इन आवर फेवर.
ओके, फेयर इनफ. हर्षित, आपका एक कनेक्शन बन रहा था प्रीत के साथ. वाज इट बिकॉज यू टू लाइक्ड ईच अदर या फिर ऑप्शंस नहीं थे?
ऑप्शंस की बात नहीं थी. मुझे जब मैं पहली बार प्रीत से मिला तो मुझे बहुत एक वाइब आई थी अच्छी, और जब मुझे अगर अच्छी वाइब आती है तो मैं वहीं जाता हूँ.
और वो वाइब किसी और से नहीं आई?
नहीं आई वाइब.
किसी से भी नहीं आई?
नहीं आई.
तो उससे कंटिन्यू किया फिर आपने आपका जेन्युइन कनेक्शन?
हाँ, अभी कनेक्शन बिल्ड करने की कोशिश तो कर ही रहे हैं अभी हम, और शो में अभी आप लोग को देखने को मिलेगा. पर ये था कि मुझे अच्छी लगी प्रीत, और मैंने कोशिश करी उसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाने की।
जैसे पर आपने हमें 3-4 बार बोला कि अच्छा लगा, वाइब वाइब वाइब, क्या वाइब बताइए?
शी वॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग और यानी कि इमोशंस को अच्छे से समझ रही थी वो,
इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट थी।
इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट।
ओके, तो आप और वो शो की बात नहीं कर रहे?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
इन रियल लाइफ क्या स्टेटस है आपका, क्या सीन है?
हमारा कोई सीन नहीं।
इतनी पसंद आई, मुझे लगा आपने शो के बाद भी कुछ कंटिन्यू किया।
नहीं, शो में ऐसा कुछ कंटिन्यू हमारा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है।
अच्छा,
As
शो
of-
पे भी कुछ नहीं हुआ?
वी आर फ्रेंड्स। हमने शो पे भी किया, मतलब कनेक्शन बनाने की कोशिश करी, ये सब चीज़ें।
स्प्लिट्सविला में लोगों ने भाई बनाए, दोस्त बनाए, खाली कनेक्शंस नहीं बनाए।
वही तो मुझे बहुत दूसरी
Alright.
बार।
नहीं, हर्षित का भी बन रहा है मुझे लगता है धीरे धीरे कनेक्शन।
हाँ
तो ऐसा
किसके
नहीं
साथ?
हर्षित
Thank you very much.
अकेला जाएगा मुझे पता है
किसके
bro।
साथ?
और अच्छा कनेक्शन बनाया है तो अप्रूव।
थैंक यू।
वो
वो अभी धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा।
Tain, now this is a question that I wanted to ask you when the episode came out, but obviously I can ask now. You mentioned a couple of times that Sadaf puts a lot of pressure on you, which I thought when we saw the first glimpse of it, it was during that, I think आप शायद किसी date पे गए थे and you all came back from the date and then she was asking you to put a ring and it started off as a joke, I suppose, but then it got way too...
It was intense.
Yeah, it got
was
way
really
too
intense.
intense and then it was not
I
funny
also got a
anymore.
lot of hate for not doing it.
knees.
Knees नहीं है।
No, it's okay. Do it.
अरे बेहतर है कि रिंग को रिंग फिंगर से पहनाने तो अच्छा ही है ना, नीज पे जाके इसको ब्रेसलेट पहना।
हाँ,
है कि नहीं?
go, come on.
You're not down on your knees and you're doing the middle finger.
I will get. It's the middle finger only.
No.
It's the middle finger only.
No, down. Go down on your knees. One knee. What are you thinking? See? देखो reaction देखो इसका.
Because if he wants to go down, it comes from his heart, love.
Then it's
Yeah.
okay. Don't force yourself. We're good.
Yeah.
Good night.
Which makes no sense to me because I
Did
mean.
you get hate?
I got a lot of hate because I didn't do it. I mean, I feel like, I don't know where I'm from, it takes time to get to know someone. It takes time to build a connection with somebody. And that was the very reason, it was the first week of the show, right? To go down on my knee for somebody, especially if I'm not sure about that person, and I mean, within the first week, it's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I was not going to do it. And it's something that's going to follow me for the rest of my life as well. Going down on my knee for another woman. I was on Temptation Island and I kissed a girl on that show, and guess what? That's following me for the rest of my life. And whoever I spend the rest of my life with, that's going to follow them as well. So I was not going to do that again, definitely.
But do you think that when she asked you to put a ring on her, was she actually expecting you to propose, or it was just a sweet little gesture?
I feel like initially it was a joke.
Yes.
And then it got very intense.
Serious, yes.
But before that, and I feel like the audience will see as the episodes come, we had conversations within that first week that were really intense. I mean, the third, fourth day, she was talking about marriage and talking about this. And it was a joke. And I was talking about how I want my future partner to be, and she was talking about me. And for me, that was very, very intense. And it was a nice conversation, but the fact is, she was on about me and how she'd want me to be and this and that, and how if we'd get married, where she'd want to live. And I feel like within 3-4
Hold your
days,
horses.
that is something that you do not speak about. But it felt extremely intense. There was so much pressure on me, and I just felt like things were just moving too fast 24/7.
Pressure to commit?
Yeah, it was like, and she was within the fourth day. She was talking about us outside, what is on my plan, and she's only here for a connection. She's not here for the game. And if I'm not serious about her, and if we're gonna take this further outside, she doesn't want to speak to me. And this, it was intense. It was really intense, and that's what broke that bridge between us.
Okay. So then you were obviously distinctively and visibly rather relieved after the swap, right? Then you did try to make your own connections, whatever. But when the villa merged again, you went back to her and you guys formed your own connection. So which version of it is real? The version where you mentioned... Sorry. The version where you mentioned that, yeah, she was too strong for me and our beautiful bond started breaking, or the version where she just comes back and you go back to her?
The fact is, I really liked her. I really liked spending time with her. Yes, I was distant with her, going back to Pyar Villa. but I didn't want to form any other connection with anybody else. I didn't want to look like the playboy to the audience. I didn't want to look like anything. So I stuck with her, and things got really difficult between us.
So wait, let me connect this. So after the merger, you said you went back to Sadaf because you were thinking of how the audience will look at it?
No. Let's not twist my words there.
That's my job, dude.
No, not at all. I mean,
Yeah.
yes, my image is very important. I
Yeah.
didn't want to look like a fool at all. But there was nobody else that I wanted to connect with like I was connecting with Sadaf. So yes, I continued the game with her. Yes, we still worked on our connection. Yes, we spoke a lot about what had been discussed and what put that distance between us. But no, that was not the reason at all. I still stuck with her, and I only wanted to be with her until the end.
Okay, fair. How loyal of you, man. That's pretty amazing.
Wow.
No, that's
Wow.
that's
Oh,
what
man.
that's commendable.
Bhai.
This
Thank
loyalty
you so
is
much.
commendable. Yeah.
True.
Cheers to his good boy image.
Yeah.
Now moving to Himanshu. We've discussed a little bit about yours and Yogesh's friendship. We want to know कि आपके हिसाब से was Yogesh a friend to you that you were to him? Did he reciprocate the same actions? और या फिर आप अपनी तरफ से ज़्यादा निभा रहे थे?
कई जगह पे आई वॉज लेट डाउन लाइक इन दैट डोम में जब मैं उसके लिए नीचे आया था आयुष के लिए, जब उसने उस चीज़ से मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, पर जब उसने सैंडी का नाम लिखा आई फील लाइक आई वुड नेवर डू दैट, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई फील लाइक इन अ रिलेशनशिप, एनी काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, भाईचारा क्यों ना हो गया वो, there are ups and downs. I wouldn't think that he has not been that good of a brother to me. I think he's been very good, and so have I. So no.
Okay, fair. Besties.
Definitely.
Now we're coming to another segment of this Snooze Fest. This is called Hammer the Rumor. मैं आप सबको ये हैमर दूंगी and I will tell you one rumor about you. जो आपके बारे में हमने सुना, फैंस कह रहे हैं, रैंडम जर्नलिस्ट ने लिखा है, whatever it is, and आपके पास मौका है to hammer the rumor. Ready?
चलो.
Okay, boys. ये rumor ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपके बारे में हो. It can be about anybody. You just have to give your take on it, and you can do it together. Have fun with it. Okay, boys. The first rumor. Himanshu only picked Diksha as her connection because she agrees to everything that he says.
Well,
I've
ऑपोजिट अलायंस वाले बंदे तुमने बिठा दिए हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता है ये लोग एग्री करेंगे.
कर दिया एग्री.
आगे जाके लोगों को पता लग जाएगा काफ़ी जगह पे कैसे उसने वो चीज़ें करी हैं जो मैंने उसको स्ट्रिक्टली बोला था कि वो ना करे.
So you disagree?
So I 100% disagree with that.
No, I do not disagree with that at all. Diksha does not have a voice without Himanshu, and I think she liked it that way, and that is definitely the reason why she picked Himanshu, because he's extremely strong, he's extremely vocal, and he speaks for the both of them.
Well, पहले दिन ही हमारा कनेक्शन बन गया था, तो पहले दिन उसे कैसे पता चल सकता है कि मैं क्या क्या हूँ क्या क्या नहीं हूँ, तो ग्रेजुअली पता लगता है कि कौन कैसा इंसान है. एंड आई फील लाइक इफ़ शी हैड नोन, यू नो, लाइक आई सेड, कि वो पॉजिटिवली भी इम्पैक्ट करता है कि उसे पता होता है कि मैंने पहले शोज़ किए हैं, तो उसके दिमाग में रहता है इसने शो किए हुए हैं, इसे पता होगा गेम कैसे खेलनी है. That could have impacted her opinion, but we made a connection on the first day. It was very natural. और कई जगहों पे ऐसा होता है कि दीक्षा इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन दैट वो इमोशनली ना बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कभी ओवरवेल्म हो जाती है. लाइक कियोना वाले मैटर में भी वो जब बोल रही थी, और हैंड्स, आई डोंट नो इफ एनीबडी नोटिस, बट आई डिड, हर हैंड्स वर शिवरिंग, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर कुछ भी ऐसा थोड़ा सा भी आता है तो वो थोड़ा सा वो फील कर जाती है. एंड इन दैट मोमेंट व्हेन आई डू स्पीक फॉर, एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीथिंग रॉन्ग फॉर इट, बिकॉज जब मैं वहाँ पे ऑरेकल पे खड़ा हुआ था और हम नहीं बने थे और टेन कुछ बकवास करा था, इसको बहन की गाली भी उसी नहीं दी थी, तब उस टाइम पे उसकी वॉइस बहुत अच्छे से निकली थी. तो वहाँ पे जब उसे वॉइस निकालनी होती है, जो चीज़ें बोलनी होती है, शी इज़ वेरी गुड विद दैट. समटाइम्स शी गेट्स वेरी इमोशनली ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड आई डू हैव टू स्टेप इन, एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट. सो नो.
So hammer the rumor, guys. What is it?
मारो, हैमर इट.
It's
अग्री.
agreed.
Okay. So Himanshu disagrees, Harshit and Tain agree. Difference of opinion. Classic case. अभी आप लोग decide करके बताओ which side you think is the correct one. We will move on.
पर इसकी एक आदत अच्छी है, इसको बोलना ही पड़ेगा कि उसका स्टैंड बहुत लिया है इसने.
हाँ, of course. अपने connection का तो stand लेना ही होगा ना.
पर वही बात है ना, उसको भी बोलने की मौका नहीं मिला ना. हिमांशु ने कभी दिया ही नहीं मौका. जैसे हमें नहीं दिया, जैसे हमें नहीं दिया इसने.
Okay. Chaksh and Anisha actually faked their relationship on the show. Pookie Paji, not so Pookie.
ओह, चल अब बजाओ.
I disagree.
You disagree?
I don't think they faked the relationship.
बताओ quickly बताओ, what's your
I
take?
feel like initially they had something very strong, and I mean, I'm not too involved with what was going on between them, but it was definitely real from, I mean, my perspective.
From whose side was it real?
He was my roommate, all right?
that is what I'm
and
asking,
that's
you know,
why
from both
I knew
perspectives.
from what he said that they had a really strong bond. I mean, they wouldn't do the
Yeah.
things that they did if
From
it
his
wasn't a
side.
real connection.
Was it from
no,
her side
it was
as well?
definitely from her side as well.
Sure.
100%.
But everyone faked in the show.
That is true.
Yes, Harshit,
So
go
what's
on.
wrong? वो तो सबने फेक किया है। तो चक्स और अनीशा में क्या फर्क पड़ता है उसमें? पर कोशिश करी थी उन्होंने बिल्ड करने की। चक्स ने भी बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी।
Fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it.
I don't think so they faked it. मतलब problems थी उनके बीच में definitely, और हर किसी relationship में आती नहीं problems, but I think from Chuck's side and Anisha's side, from at least from what we saw, they were definitely an ideal match. बाद में जाके क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, I have no clue, because what happens like in between the two of them inside a closed room, nobody is aware of that. But from what it seemed, from what all of us could see, is that they were definitely not faking it. Baaki to each their own, I believe.
Okay, hammer the rumor in that case. Perfect. Moving on. Goresh treats Akansha better than Yogesh.
Absolutely.
Nope.
Absolutely.
Hammer it?
Completely agree to that, bro.
Of course you would. You would love to.
I mean, have you not seen how the show has
Okay,
been going
how?
on? He respects her completely.
So Yogesh disrespected Akansha.
I never said he disrespected her,
Then?
but the way Goresh was there for Akansha 24/7 when she was crying, he was. I mean, Akansha's connection was Yogesh. Goresh, she's busy crying and he's still trying to wipe her tears.
See,
He's
this is the
respecting her.
narrative that you would like to push, but that is not the case. I'll tell you why. Tain, क्या होता है ना कि जब वहाँ पे योगेश उसके साथ बैठा हुआ है, योगेश and Akansha had that bond, whatever it was. At least I would say the way Yogesh treated her when even he was in Paisa Villa, he did not talk to anybody, he did not make a connection where everybody wanted to make a connection. वहाँ पे अगर वो चाहता तो वो कर सकता था, जैसे कि तुमने बात आंखों में आंखें डाल के निहारिका के साथ की थी, वो कर सकता था.
Bro, my case is completely different, so do not compare me to what's
Well, I
going
did
on.
not even think about
Yeah,
it
but I can.
until
I can
now.
you,
But
you're
until
literally going
now.
on about it.
But I disagree. योगेश ने वो तो हम सिर्फ अभी एक एपिसोड को देख के हमने जज करा ना उस चीज को गोरेश को.
No, please complete your part.
हाँ मैं
Please
तो
finish it.
अगर तुम बोल you want to speak.
Goresh knew exactly how to treat a woman throughout the whole show, whether it be Zalak, Akansha, or any other girl. He made them feel completely comfortable and secure in any way, no matter what type of relationship they were having, doesn't matter. Yogesh, on the other hand, did not know how to treat Akansha, and that's as simple as
I
that.
have a question here. You mentioned that, of course, both of them were respectful, none of them
Yeah,
were disrespectful precisely. But Goresh just knew how to treat their partner, not a person or a girl, a partner, better than Yogesh did, right?
Yeah.
He made her feel better, more pampered, let's say, or more loved, or more important, whatever it is.
More valued.
More valued. So why? Just give us an instance or two. Why do you think that happened? Because as he's very strongly advocating that no, Yogesh did everything well. So why do you say that Goresh just stepped
I'm
up?
looking at how Yogesh has handled certain situations and how Goresh has handled certain
Give
situations.
us an example.
How immediately when Akansha was crying, he immediately went and wanted to wipe her tears. The way he speaks to her is very gentle and soft. Yogesh is just, you know, I just look at how things played out later into the show and how he handled certain things, and that is not how a man should treat a woman.
So you think Goresh treated Akansha how the situation required, how he felt, how Akansha felt?
But I mean, regardless of the situation, I believe that's how he would treat her throughout.
Precisely, what he
Yeah.
felt was correct.
Yeah.
And Yogesh treated her how he felt would look nicer or appear in a certain way?
Absolutely.
Okay.
But I feel like when it came to that situation when he had
versus
to
dimag.
when he had to make a decision,
I'm sorry, but like, why do you think he wanted to portray it? मतलब अगर आप किसी के साथ कैमरा पे अच्छे हो, it means that you're portraying it. तब
No,
भी
but
उसी के लिए
that's
ही
not the
था.
question, no. Both of them treated her nice. That's exactly what he's
He
saying.
treated her better. That's
Yeah.
what you're saying.
Yeah.
तो अगर उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखा जाए कि गौरेश ने आकांक्षा को ट्रीट बेटर किया है, कैसे कि जब वो रो रही थी उसे रुमाल दे दिया, I think
These are just gestures, Himanshu. अब तुम
Yeah.
nitpick करने जाओगे. If you start nitpicking,
No,
then
but
nothing will come
अपने
to
बात
it.
में
But
सीख
that
करो ना
is-
कि एक
It's just an opinion.
but
Hammer the rumor.
yeah, break it.
yeah, disagreed.
disagree.
All right.
Next. Mohit played Anushka for immunity.
I feel like they had a game plan from the start. I feel like regardless of the situation, he would have taken the immunity.
So did he play Anushka for a minute?
I don't think he played or no. I think it was a part of their plan,
Perfect.
for sure.
I think what he's saying is somewhat correct because I think both of them knew. उन दोनों को पता था कि मोहित आएगा उसके साथ तो मोहित को पता है इम्यूनिटी मिलेगी और उसको अनुष्का को भी पता है कि अगर मोहित उसके साथ आएगा तो उसे खेलने के लिए पार्टनर मिल जाएगा तो मिली भगत.
Fair. All right. With that, we've come to an end. Hammer the rumor के लिए. Thank you, God. Now it's time for the comment jar. Basically, आपके सामने एक jar रखा हुआ है. इसमें comments हैं जो हमने नहीं किए हैं. पर आपके फैंस ने, आपके हेटर्स ने, स्प्लिट्सविला के व्यूअर्स ने, दे हैव रिटन सम कमेंट्स अबाउट यू. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड इट. वो कमेंट आपके लिए भी हो सकता है, सामने वाले के लिए भी हो सकता है, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू रिएक्ट. व्हाटएवर कम्स टू माइंड. नो डिप्लोमेसी, नो जस्टिफिकेशन. ओके? चलो. सो हर्षित, प्लीज पिक अप द बॉल एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट वन बाय वन.
हिमांशु बी लाइक धीरे बोलता हूँ कूल लगेगा. ट्रू. I mean, मतलब कभी कभी हो जाता है कि मैं बात धीरे करता हूँ क्योंकि अगर आप कभी भी बात करते हो ऐसे तो आप नॉर्मली बात करते करते धीरे धीरे बोल देते हो. मैं ऐसे करता हूँ. Not to look cool, but that is how I talk.
Next.
Team. So it's in English. Himanshu is in love with Tain.
Well, 100%, but in a parallel universe, I think. I mean, I don't hate him, but there's something
I don't
about
hate you
him that
You don't like.
I feel like he can get a nerve quite easily.
Okay.
Yeah, you get under my skin. I think it's just the
Likewise,
way
I
you
think
speak.
I think it's
You
mutual.
speak like you're cool or something.
We'll have to agree with the fact that I think it's mutual, team.
Keep that souvenir.
So, are you in love or not? Yes or no?
In a parallel universe, maybe, but not in this one.
What are you saying even, bro?
That I'm not in love with you. That's what I'm saying, Tain.
But you
want
maybe
me
in
to be
another
love with you?
universe.
I mean, you could.
What the fuck?
Like in Sadaf's
Just
word,
say
you
no.
could put a ring on my finger if you would want that.
पागल है क्या भाई? भाई.
Tain, are you in love? Do you want to put a ring on it?
Cut the finger off. चलो भाई.
Next.
My friends. Why this season is all about friendship. If you only want friends, then why you come in this show? बात सही है. ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, सभी के लिए है. ना? और मैं इसी चीज़ के लिए रिग्रेट भी करता हूँ. पर धीरे धीरे आप शो में देखेंगे कि मैं फ्रेंड्स चूज ना करके अपनी कनेक्शन चूज करूँगा.
Bravo!
Now that's a gossip.
Thank you.
Next.
This is from Akansha.
Yeah.
The horse community deserves an apology for the comparison. Gora.
Now that's quite funny, but वही वाली बात है कि अगर अब मैं जवाब दे दूंगा तो फिर मैं disrespectful हो जाऊंगा about her looks, so I don't want to reply to this.
This was from Akansha.
Akansha.
Original Akansha. Oh.
The original one, the OG.
Oh.
Are you
Okay,
upset about the
interesting.
situation?
Honestly, I'm just very disappointed because from you or Gullu, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता था कि तुम लोग बाहर आके बोलोगे ये सब चीज़ें, but the fact that now Akansha is also trying to be a part of that group and trying to make fun about my looks. Now if I did the same, then it would be a very different story and a lot of people would then talk about it कि कैसे disrespectful हूँ मैं. I don't want to react to this. It's okay if she wants to say this. I don't think that changes how I see myself. I think I look very nice and that's the end of the
सब ठीक है.
conversation.
Perfect. And now the second last one.
Is there anything going to be about me? Yeah.
I think he needs to chill out. He wasn't even getting that much hate organically and looks okay in episodes in comparison to other contestants who get CA'd daily. All the hate he is getting, he invited himself by rage baiting.
I'm not worried about the rage bait.
Good.
I was having so much fun doing what I was doing.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's how I felt in that episode, how you people made me feel.
Perfect.
So sorry, Ting.
Khatam ho gaya
So that's
mere
your
jaan.
response?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not
Perfect.
too concerned about
And now
that
the
shit.
last one. Tain.
Yeah, you take it.
I think Tain is so annoying. So annoying.
Dil se nikla.
And has this air about himself. I just don't get this hype.
Damn.
It's a game. Get a grip, bro.
Oh, get a grip.
Him and Sadaf got on my nerves last do. They made the other group look better, lol. LOL.
LOL.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that, Ting?
I don't know how I was annoying. Every time I spoke, it was speaking facts. And my problem is, right, I didn't speak enough to get my point across. And then when I spoke, I think the audience was confused about why I was speaking about what I was doing.
Yeah.
So now there's some sort of gap between me and the audience where they're not getting my perspective because I didn't do my reality and I didn't speak about how I was feeling or what they were doing. I just went at it in the dome or whenever it was necessary.
But in outside, I don't see you talking about your perspective. Rather, I just see you mocking people and making fun about how they look or how they've, said.
Have you been on my other page?
I don't follow that other page. I'm sorry. But from what I've seen through the clips, तुम perspective की बात तो करते ही नहीं हो. कहीं पे भी perspective की बात नहीं करते हो. तुम बस मजाक उड़ाते हो, जिसकी वजह से hate आती है. If you had talked about your perspective, I don't think you would have gotten that much hate. But the fact that you try to diss people over something that is not happening in the show is why I think you're getting all of that hate. That is my theory on it. But think about it. Take your time.
Thought.
Good.
Perfect. The comments are all done. And with that, guys, we are gladly approaching the end of this session. Now, क्योंकि ये segment भी हो चुका है पूरा, we are gonna do some of my favorite things, okay? इसका नाम है an exclusive gossip bomb. You all know what the segment is all about. Basically, आप लोगों को मुझे एक ऐसी gossip bomb देनी है, one exclusive gossip you have to give us, जो अब तक ना किसी ने सुनी है, ना जाना है. It could be on camera, off camera, real life, reality, present, कुछ भी. So guys, are we ready with the gossip bomb?
So there was this one person on the show who used to fart a lot. That was
That what?
that who used to fart a lot. And वो बात भी की गई थी एपिसोड्स के अंदर, पर एक एपिसोड के अंदर बहुत विस्तार में उस बारे में बात की थी, वो पूरा का पूरा कट गया. But I think that did not make the cut. I think all of us are aware
you
that
got your reason for why it didn't make the cut. Got your reason for why it didn't make the cut. All right.
Yeah,
the thing is, bro.
Yeah. So
you
telling me
have
that you
to-
can fart in front of people, but I can't talk about it in front of people. That's what you're trying to say?
Bro, it's actually quite mind-boggling how you'd bring up something so
Frivolous.
stupid.
Yeah.
Because
It's
you've
very
got nothing
stupid.
else to pick up on me.
It's not picking on you,
I
Tim. It's
mean-
just the fact that that is the only gossip I have. I don't get into gossips, and that's the only gossip that I do have.
All right, I've got something.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Like, let's
2 weeks ago, Himanshu phoned me, all right? I just landed in Delhi. And he's like, Diksha's filing an FIR on you.
What?
Yeah, an FIR on you.
Okay.
For God knows what reason. For something I had said. Bro, you want to
Go
clear this
ahead.
up? You want to clear it up because, I mean, that was it. You phoned me. Diksha is going to file an FIR on you. I don't want it to happen, but I'm going to let it happen. Diksha is going to file an FIR on you. I don't want it to happen, but I'm going to let it happen.
It was a joke, team.
Out of the purple, phoning me like that. Saying something like that. And that's exactly why Gulu and I posted what we posted.
But you did start. Gullu posted a story of me on the first day when the show aired. He made this filter of a horse. वो तो वही हो गया था. I don't think that is relevant. और जो वो तुम्हारे वाला था भाई, वो तो simply वो इंटरव्यू के बीच में था ये क्या यार? It's in the interview. You haven't seen it. I'll show it to you.
Show me.
It was a prank, team.
Okay.
You fell into it. But I'm so glad that you're still a part of that prank.
Perfect. And your gossip bomb was?
So when
You know, you're so stupid, Tane. You're so stupid, Tane. You know, why
तीन
would
boring
you-
gossips थी ये.
Why would you
So, okay,
want to
when
pick on me by saying
Himanshu
something
sacrificed
like that?
Diksha at the first dome, right? Well, when Diksha was moved
Second dome.
second dome. On the way back to the van, he was laughing like nothing happened. It was like a joke.
Really?
Definitely,
Yeah.
100%.
Was I laughing?
Bro, I was sleeping.
Perfect.
आग लगे चाहे बस्ती में, हर्षित रहता मस्ती में. Yeah, but what is this about? He's saying you were laughing and enjoying when you ride back.
I wasn't.
You were indeed. On the
Sure.
walk back
Sure.
to the cab, you were literally like nothing happened.
Sure.
With your Baichara group. As long as you had his Baichara group, everything was sweet. With your Baichara group. As long as you had his Baichara group, everything was sweet.
Yeah.
It was fine.
I mean, from somebody who flipped right the same day he went to a different villa and started
Think about what you want to say
eye-gazing
first.
another girl I would, if I was in your position and I was the man that you are, I would, try to make up lies like that. But unfortunately, I'm not that person.
I'm not making up lies, bro. It was a straight up fact.
I think if I was so happy about it, then when I went back to Paisa Villa or when I went back to the other...
We'll see how long this relationship lasts, because I still feel like it's a fucking...
But at least
it's a
it
fake.
lasted until now. It is still there. Where is your relationship, Dane? Or the
It's a
one
show.
before that?
It's a show, and guess
or
what?
the one before that? Or the one before that?
What about all your relationships?
Yeah, well, all of
So,
them.
I mean,
okay, how many
what are you
relationships
going
of
on
mine do you
about?
know about?
I don't need to know, but I know that for a fact that
Exactly.
you've been through multiple
Exactly.
relationships. Just well,
Exactly.
That's
exactly.
life.
So do your research well next time.
Done with the gossips?
Khatam ho gaya.
Okay. What an amazing episode this was. Such amazing gossips we got. Hands down, the best episode of BYOG we have ever shot.
Sarcastic.
On that note, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for coming, gracing my couch. I had a great time talking with you all, and I hope to see you all sometime very soon. Thank you for coming.
It was an absolute pleasure.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Thank you. Most welcome.
वाओ कितना बक करते हैं भाई ये लड़के. That was so exhausting. आप देख रहे हो ना मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ता है आपके लिए. So now tell me, what was the verdict? Was talking and getting to know our boys yay or a hard nay? Anyways, and now it's time for my new favorite segment called BYOG Spotlight. And guys, your creativity on peak again, rising every other episode. And इस हफ्ते का BYOG Spotlight shines absolutely bright on, drum rolls please, Lavanya. Because girl, let me tell you, your videos are so funny, everything is on point, and मतलब it has a repeat value. मैंने 3-4 बार तो खुद ही देखा होगा. So guys, keep the creativity coming, and if we love your videos, I am personally going to give you a shout out on BYOG Spotlight. Anyways, मैं चलती हूँ. अगले एपिसोड में यही मिलूंगी on MTV BYOG Season 2 Splitsvilla edition, because let's be real, I live for the drama and you love it too.
उसका फिर एक और लड़के के साथ सीन था. Yes. You're being very over smart right now, and I do not like over smart people. तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड क्या मुझे पता नहीं. तुमको दूसरे शो से मैंने देखा नहीं है. कितने बदतमीज हो तुम.
You said your ex is your best friend. My ex had the same problem.
क्या हम एक आइडल मैच है.
Sorry.
यार पैकअप होके 2 घंटे हो गए. चले.
Oh no, I didn't even realize there's so much to catch up on and I can't keep up. Split Pugloos, if I'm stuck like this, you will be too. So go watch MTV Splitsvilla Extra Dose exclusively on Geo Hotstar. So scroll more and watch more. Excuse me, I have to get back to this.